Hi, I'm Sergio Big Chin Hernandez, and I've been studying phones all my life. Now, you wanna know how to turn this phone into this? Well, first off, we have to get this back just so we can get it out of here. Now here's where the fun begins. Time to mix up a sidekick. First off, you need a book bag like this. Then, yo bitch! Alright, we have to put every single one of these items, if my lovely bitch can show you. If you can turn it around too. Poisonous mushroom. An expensive DC shoe. Your old phone. My brush. Some nasty smelling axe spray. A toy car. Another brush. And yesterday's newspaper. Now, you stuff everything in. Stuff it in like a whole big pile of crap. And you mix it like this. And now, voila! Take gas out. We have a sidekick. With this, you can use it. Sidekick smoke. Don't breathe it, you can die of it. However, if you're one of these idiots that did it wrong, sucks for you. But if you're the smartasses that did it right, congratulations. You just got us some sidekick. And all you need, imagination. And a bunch of other equipment too that's not needed. Thank you for joining us for cooking electronics. Join us next week for turning a brass guitar into a real guitar. Join us next week. Thank you for watching.